Welcome again to my kitchen. Today I'm going to walk you through how to make vegan cream cheese frosting. It has a secret ingredient in it, but that's all I'm going to say. I know you're going to like the recipe. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I got my food processor. So we have white sweet potatoes, and you can find these at Horrocks. You can see, we'll put a picture up, and you can see in the picture the difference between the white sweet potatoes and the traditional like orangish type sweet potatoes. And I guess the main difference is that the inside of the white sweet potatoes is white, not orange. So we have 1 cup packed of these. Now I've already cubed them, and I peeled it, I cubed it, and then I steamed them, so they're nice and soft. So we have 1 cup of those. Then we have maple syrup. Yummy maple syrup. Then we have our coconut oil. We have lemon juice. And a little bit of salt. Just a teeny tiny bit. All right. We're gonna process this till it's nice and smooth. All right. Now it kind of looks like it's like vanilla pudding, and it smells so yummy. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put this into a container, and then I'm gonna put it into the refrigerator, and what it's gonna do is it's just gonna kind of harden up a little bit, and then once it's hardened up and thicker, then I'm gonna go ahead and put it into a piping bag and show you what it looks like on the cupcakes. All right, so we have our delicious carrot cake muffins. And then we have our frosting that we made. So what we're gonna do with this frosting is I'm going to put it into a baggie. This is just like a normal Ziploc type baggie. And you could use like a piping baggie, for like a frosting piping baggie. But not everybody has one of those. So this is the next best thing. So you put all your frosting in there. You lick your finger. Oh yeah, good stuff. And then you squeeze out the air as much as possible. And then you take your scissors, and what you want to do is you want to clip the corner off right here. Now, depending on how big you clip it will depend on how much frosting comes out at one time. So we're gonna do, about that much. We'll get our muffins here. And then we're just gonna pipe this delicious frosting right on there. If you see me moving my frosting bowl around, is because my cameraman keeps on trying to stick his fingers in it. So I'm moving it to where he cannot get it. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pipe our frosting on there. Oh yeah, look at that. You just go around in a circular motion and then top it off like that. And there you have it. 3 delicious looking carrot cake muffins slash cupcake slash yummy goodness. I wonder if I can tip it like that. Oh yeah, look at that. And it doesn't even fall over. Wonderful. But I know you're going to absolutely love this recipe. The kids love this recipe, and I love it if the kids love it, especially since it doesn't have a whole bunch of sugar in it, and they won't go bouncing off the walls. So I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I look forward to doing more recipes with you soon.